Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about what is error 49 and how do I fix it. Usually, service error 49 is a situation where the printer is unable to process a file sent by you. In some cases, the file is corrupted, and in other cases, the printer firmware cannot interpret this file. In any case, to solve this problem, you should try the following. 1. Turn off the printer and check the print queue of the last job sent. Delete that job and turn the printer back on. Printing of the remaining jobs should begin. Note that if multiple users are sending to that printer, it could be one of them sending the corrupted file. 2. In rare cases, there may be a problem with the printer. To determine this, you must first remove the Ethernet cable from the back of the printer and restart the printer. If the printer is started, ready, and can print internally, such as a configuration page, it will most likely work properly. 3. There are times when you still don't see any jobs in the print queue. When you turn on the printer while it's ready, the data light blinks and you get error 49. Check if there is data. Send to the printer. In this case, you can try to initialize the print queue. In some cases, it will be necessary to reinstall the printer with a new IP address. 4. In rare instances where the printer fails, the most likely causes are the network card or formats. In case you have any issue regarding printer, please make us a call now 1-844-609-6674.